What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create barcodes as HTML in Iron Barcode. All right, so for this tutorial, I've already installed the Iron Barcode, which is an amazing library for barcode generation and reading. So with the setup out of the way, let's jump straight into the code and get started. So first and foremost, we need to import the Iron Barcode namespace, and that'll give us all the essential methods and classes for barcode operations. Here, we're creating a QR code that encodes a URL. The barcode writer.createBarcode method does this magic for us, and we simply just provide the data, in this case a URL, and specify the barcode encoding type, which is QR code. Now that a QR code is generated, let's go ahead and save it. And we can directly save the QR code as an HTML file, and that means that the barcode can be viewed using any web browser. There might be situations where you want a direct data URL of the generated QR code. A data URL is essentially a base 64 encoded representation of the QR code that can be embedded directly in the web pages. And this does so without referring to an external file. So let's go ahead and do that. And finally, if you want an HTML representation of the QR code, which can be directly embedded in a web page, we can get that using the toHTML tag method. All right, everything's set. So let's go ahead and run the project and see the results. So here's our console output. The first thing you see is the data URL of the QR code. It's lengthy and might not make much sense visually, but it's a compact way of representing images, especially for web applications. So following the data URL, you see the HTML tag representation of the QR code. It's basically a tag with data URL as the source. Now let's move to the HTML file that we saved earlier. So opening the file reveals our QR code, perfectly rendered and ready to be scanned. And there you go. This is a quick and easy way to get your barcode in a format that's easy to share and display. With just a few lines of code, we generated a QR code and got its data URL HTML tag representation and even saved it as an HTML file. And that's it. All right, we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like some more useful tips from Iron Software. And if you're interested, we have a trial subscription where you can try out the power of the software firsthand. If you'd like to do that, check out the link in the description below.